Zobo drink is very nutritious, but where are you getting yours from? Let me show you a way you can make it very easy, infused with ingredients in the comfort of your home. Let's start by the ingredients. I have my hibiscus flower, I have my dry pepper, I have my natural spices. Kindly take a very close look of the ingredients. I have my cinnamon, I have my ginger, I have my sugar, I have my spices, I have my flavors. Yeah, so this one, if you go to any natural market, you are going to get some. Yeah, I have my ginger. Here is the sugar that I'm going to use, and then I have another natural spice here. I think it's alligator pepper. Yeah, you just show it to those selling those ingredients. They are going to get everything for you. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, so the main ingredient here is pineapple. Guys, I can't make zobo without pineapple. I have my flavors. I have my pineapple flavor here. I have my vanilla flavor. I have my strawberry flavor as well. I have my banana flavor. Yeah, basically I have a lot of flavors around, so I feel like working with the one I like. That's the reason you have to make it in the house. If you're making it from your house, you know the ingredients you're putting in. I have my honey here. I'll make a special one for special order. So for that one, the person is not taking sugar, so I will use honey for that one. Okay, you can use honey for yourself. So basically that's the ingredients I'm working with for today. Let's start. Oh, I'm going to use my hibiscus flower first. And I added a peel of the pineapple to it. I told you pineapple is the main deal here. Make sure you add pineapple to your hibiscus flower or to your Zobo drink, and then added a good amount of water. I then place it on fire and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Yeah, so we are going to blend our natural spices. So let's go get blending. So let's check on our Zobo drink. Our Zobo drink is ready. So guys, we are going to strain it. so that we get the drink out of the ingredients. So that's basically what I'm going to do for now. So just get your net or anything that you can use to strain it. I strain it for about 4 times to get all the particles out of my drink. Here is after I'm done straining, so I'll let it sit for a while. Then after that, I'm pour my sugar and my other ingredients in. Don't forget what we are blending. We will add it to it later. Keep on watching. So we are now going to add our ingredients. Make sure you strain it for about 3 to 4 times to avoid all particles. Then your Zobo drink or your Sobolo drink is ready now. So you have to make sure you mix it very well. Let it sit for a while, let it cool down. Then you start wrapping it. You start serving, like you start freezing it. Your Sobolo is ready now. You can make it as business. Just wrap it in any way you wanted it.